Hello guys, it's me Khushi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this beautiful halo eye look. It's basically a traditional look because as I feels that traditional looks very classy. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here I've cleaned my face and I'm using Perenne Cosmetics toner, and then for moisturizing I'm using Nivea light moisturizer. Let it sit for 2 minutes on your skin, and then I'm taking Back Cosmetics concealer in shade number 06. I'm applying with a flat concealer brush, and then I'll be using wet beauty blender, not wet exactly but damp beauty blender, and smooth it properly. And for the eye makeup I'm taking Morphe 35B color palette. In this I'm taking beautiful pink neon shade, and I'm just using it as a transition shade with a small fluffy brush. Then I will be taking this blue orange color and I will be just applying over the pink color and blend it properly. Let the two colors merge into each other. Always take your time to blend the eyeshadows so that there is no. Then I am taking this dark purplish pinkish shade, mauve shade with conceal, and I'm just applying to the outer and third and inner 1/3 corner of the eye, leaving the middle section for the concealer part. To make the halo eye, I'm just using the same concealer, that is Pat 06 concealer, and I am just cutting the halo look in between with that small concealer brush. Always take your time to do your eye makeup, don't rush it out. Then I'm taking Forever52 palette, BB-E001, and I'm taking this lovely orange color. It has a tinge of yellowish shade, and I'm just applying on the concealer. And then I took the yellow glittery color from the same Morphe palette, and with a small liner brush I have created a moon kind of shade over the orange shade. And again I'm just deepening it out the mauve color. Now I'm taking color Essence Gold Glitter, and I'm just putting it on the orange color to give a pop-up effect on the eyes. It's eyebrow time. Now I'm taking Wow My Brow eyebrow palette. In this I'm taking the middle dark brownish color of the palette, and I'm just filling up the sparse areas. I'm not making it a fake, but I'm just making it a fuller eyebrow. And then I'm just cleaning my fallouts with the Gulabari cleanser. To correct my face, I'm taking Electro Pro Conceal in medium beige, and I'm applying on the dark areas or problematic areas of my face, like my under eyes, near my nose, near the mouth area, over the forehead. Wherever you feel there is some darkness or pigmentations on your face, you can apply it directly and just blend it with a damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using Ace of Face foundation stick. It's number 10 latte shade, and I'm just applying in a small dots on my face, and with a damp beauty blender I will blend everything out. For highlighting, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Sand. It's 122 number, and I'm just putting it on the under eyes, over my forehead, on the bridge of the nose, a little bit on my cheeks, not the cheek but the plain surface of the cheeks, and on the chin. For contouring, I am taking Nykaa Concealing Correct palette. In this, I am taking the dark brown shade with a small contouring brush. This is a flat brush. To blend this, I'll be using the beauty blender. You can always use contour brush in case you want to use that. Now I'm taking Coloressence Wet n Dry Compact Powder in the shade Warm Ivory, and I'm just applying over the highlighted points where I have just concealed it. Taking Sugar All Set to Go Banana Powder for the baking of my eyes and the cheekbone area. Now for the powder contour, I am taking this lovely trio from Mama's, and I am just using the contour brush here. To apply liner and kajal, I am taking Peck Cosmetics Long Lasting Kohl pencil here. I will not be applying the liner, liquid liners or gel liners. I will be only using this kohl and smudge it a bit, and under my eyes I will be using the kajal with this pencil only. Now I am buffing out all the excess powders which we have used for the baking of our face. For mascara, I am using Kiko Milano Smart Color Mascara. Now I am again taking that bright pink neon color with a small smudger brush and smudge a bit under the kajal area. And now I am taking this beautiful green color to just pop the inner eye. For blush, I am using Morphe blush palette and taking this baby pink color for the blush as it matches our eye makeup. To line my lips, I am taking Colorbar Splendid Pink Lip Liner. This is a lovely pink color. Over that, I am using Life Forever52 in the shade Dollhouse. This is a pinkish neonish liquid matte color which stays for long. And for highlighting, I am taking my favorite Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Now applying these false lashes. These are from Shein. This is all fluffy, all mink and beautiful eyelashes. So setting it all up with Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. Let it dry for 2 minutes. So this is the final look, you guys. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my video. This nut I have got from Central Market and the jewelry is real. Thank you so much for watching.